you're looking for a nourishing, protein-packed meal that's easy to prepare, you will definitely love these steamed eggs. Welcome to episode 2 of Exciting Mornings. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them gently. Gently add your warm broth. You can use chicken, dashi, or any broth that you prefer. Add a pinch of salt and strain the mixture into a fine sieve. Cover and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Please take note that cooking time may vary depende yan sa size and thickness ng inyong bowl or dish. And ayan, the eggs are done and ang ganda ng pagkaset. You can cut through the egg para mas maabsorb niya yung sauce. For my sauce mixture, I'm using light soy sauce and sesame oil. I'm topping it with some green onions and chili garlic sauce.